let's start with negligence, because people hear that term as it relates to legal and lawsuits, but I don't think that's a common term that's used out there otherwise. So could you give us an idea of what is negligence and how do you prove it?
So, I mean, negligence is really it's really a broad term with personal injury, medical malpractice type cases. But really, a lot of times, like let's just speak of an automobile type case. The negligence really boils down to who's at fault for the accident. So, who had the duty and who breached that duty? So, there are certain circumstances in like an auto accident case where, maybe somebody was at a stop sign and they proceeded out onto the roadway and the car did not have a stop sign or a traffic light and there's a collision that happened. Well, in the general terms, the person that pulled out from the stop sign was negligent because he or she had a duty to proceed from the stop sign into that road to make sure that the traffic was clear. And if they didn't do that, they failed to do that, they were negligent. Using our example, let's say the car that, the person pulled out from the stop sign, the car that was traveling down the road that did not have a stop sign or a traffic signal, let's say it's a 35-mile-per-hour zone, but that person was doing 70 miles per hour. Well, that person had a duty to proceed along that road following the posted 35-mile-per-hour speed limit. And if they're going faster, they're going 70 miles per hour. Well, there's an element of negligence on their part because they had a duty to follow the posted speed limit. So negligence is really the broad term, but it follows along with what is the duty of the person and did they fail in that duty?